But this vision of a modern working environment clashes with reality in many places. There are reports that some of Apple's employees dislike the OpenPod concept, with programmers struggling to concentrate in this new setup. Another place where employees come together is the central cafeteria. It is a single lunchroom for the entire building. The light-filled space that rises from the floor to the roof, offering a massive open room, is intended as yet another meeting space. And along the outer wall, there are two giant glass doors that can be opened to allow the interior of the building to flow seamlessly into the exterior landscape. When it came to the design of the parks, it was important to Steve Jobs that the landscape is a reflection of the California landscape he grew up around. The new campus is not only close to the previous campus, but also not far from where everything started for Jobs. His childhood home, where he assembled the first Apple computers together with Steve Wozniak in 1976. More than 30 years later, in addition to the immense global influence the company has exerted, Apple has also become a fundamental part of the local environment in which Steve Jobs grew up. Not only as one of the largest tenants in the area and as a large employer, but also as the city's biggest taxpayer. The company that once started in a garage here had transformed the entire neighborhood. The parks at the new campus therefore had to celebrate the local environment, and Steve Jobs wanted them to be based on nearby Stanford University. Jobs appreciated the park layout here designed by Frederick Law Olmsted, who is considered the founder of American landscape architecture. Steve Jobs also appreciated the extensive hiking trails that surrounded the Stanford dish, right behind the university.